Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable show symbol screen of watchlist on TradingView account. So first we're going to open the TradingView app. Then next you're going to click on the menu which is found at the lower right corner. Then next click on settings which is found at the top right corner of the app. Then click on watchlist. So under symbol screen there's the logarithmic scale. So we're going to turn it on. So this is only available when you choose the all-time history on the chart. So that's how you basically do it. Then you guys can continue with your trading. As I told you, you can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful trading app. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.